Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to today's lesson. Today, I'm going to take you through an amazing course which has to do with business mathematics. So, today, I'm going to take you briefly through commission and trade discount. So, we are going to look at the first part, which has to do with commission, how to calculate commission. So, let's stay tuned. But first of all, what then is a commission? A commission is an amount paid to a sales officer or an agent for performing a service or business transaction on behalf of an individual or organization. It is usually calculated as a proportion or percentage of total sales or the total amount collected or earned from the transaction. So in this case, if you want to calculate for commission, it's going to be amount involved which has to do with the sales times the rate of the commission. So over here we have two formulas for calculating commission. That's the first one, sales times rate, and the other one has to do with quota. So let's look at some key words here. Some organizations require their sales staff to make a certain level of sales before they earn a commission or their basic salary. This level of sales the sales officer must take is referred to as a quota. And then a quota is a level of sales or an amount that an agent or sales officer must meet to earn a commission or their basic salary. Where a quota exists or where a quota is involved, commission is calculated on a commission or on a commission amount. So in this case, we are going to write the formula for commission where quota is involved as commission amount times rate amount. But before we find a commission, we must know what commission amount is. So finding a commission amount, it will be sales minus quota. Note that commission amount is the amount on which commission is calculated or paid. So let's move forward and look at the first example. So where a quota is involved or where there is an exceeding sales or sales above, it means a quota is involved. Therefore, you must use the second formula which has to do with commission equals commission amount times rate commission. And you have to find the commission amount which has to do with sales minus quota before you tackle the commission amount times rate amount, because you have to find the commission amount before you can proceed with the commission. So let's take our first example and let's see whether it's going to do with formula 1 or formula 2. A sales officer earns a commission of 5.5% on total sales if in a given month the officer receives an amount of 755 Ghana cedis as commission. What was the level of sales? So in this case, are we going to use formula 1 or formula 2? Because in formula 2 we we are known that where there is a quota, that's when we use formula 2. But here lies the case, we didn't come across anything like a quota, so definitely we are going to use formula 1. So our commission, which has to be written as C, letter C, or represented by letter C, is a question mark because our commission is not known. That's what we are finding. And then our rate is 5.5%. And then our sale is 755 Ghana cedis. So we are going to write C equals S times R, meaning commission equals sales times rate. So whilst our rate is 5.5, which will be written as 5.5 over 100. So let's do that quickly. We'll be getting 0.055. And then our sale is 755. So we'll be getting 755 equals 0.055 S. Okay, so cross multiplication. So now we'll Make S the subject, whereby we will divide both sides by 0.055, which will give us 13,727.3 Ghana cedis. I hope you are following. Sure. So when you want to leave it in two decimal place, it will be 0.27, but one decimal place, because the 7 is more than 5, you round it and then the 2 will become 3. So please always remember to answer the question after you find the answer. Are we on board? So now let's take example 2 and see if this has to do with Formula 1 or Formula 2. Issa, a licensed broker, received 2,500 Ghana cedis as commission for selling a house for 58,750. What was his rate of commission? So in this case, we are going to find the rate because we have been given the sales and the commission. So now our commission is 2,500, our sale is 58,750, and our rate is unknown. So we have to find rate, and we know C equals S times R. So 2,500 equals 58,750 times R, which will be 25,000. 2,500 equals to 58,750 R. Cross multiplication and dividing through by that, we'll be getting 0.0425, of which will be represented in percentage as 4.26%. So therefore, our rate is 4.26%. I hope we are clear. So let's all take the third question and solve, and I'll be waiting. A sale agent for the Shoprite Mall receives a 10% commission on sales above his quota. Yes, this one, I'll pardon you, I'll solve it with you. So this one, a quota is being mentioned. If his quota is 20,000, determine his commission in a month. He made a sale of 45,800. So in this case, we are going to use formula 2, which has to do with commission amount times rate commission. So you write the formula down, CA times R. So in this case, I have been telling you that before you find the commission, you have to find the commission amount first, which has to do with sales minus quota. So now we have our sale here. $45,800 is our sale, and our quota is 20,000. So if you subtract it, it will be left with 25,800. That is our commission. That is our commission amount. So going ahead to solve for commission, which is commission amount times rate. Now our commission amount is known, which is 25,800 Ghana cedis, and our commission is 10%. So 10% will be represented as 10 over 100, which is 0.1. So 0.1 times 25,800 will give us 2,580. So I hope we are good to go. Yes, it's not any big deal. I know you people are very smart. So going on, we are going to look at the types of commission. Generally, there are 5 types of commissions, and they are straight commission, a type of commission in which the agent or salesman earning is based on commission alone. It is usually 1%. For example, Marcus earned a 5% commission on sales. What is his earning if his sale is 2,000? So you just calculate 5% of 2000, of which is going to be written as 5/100, which is 0.05 times 2000, which is 100. So it's just like the first one, so we are good to go. So I'll end the first part here as we go through and solve it ourselves. Stay tuned for the second part. Bye bye.